Going on, YouTube? Ranger guy back with you guys. Got a little update. Attempting to throw the downpipe on, but before we do that, I have the exhaust disconnected at the cat. No exhaust, just Cadillac converter. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. Let's see what it sounds like. Cause I'm curious. I know you guys are probably curious. So let's check it out. That sounds pretty awesome. Anyways, when I get working on that and if any little weird tricks, I'll let you guys know. Basically, to get to the downpipe here, I go through the passenger side fender well and get to the bolts right there. Two of them are kind of easy to get. One I'm not too sure about yet, so I'm working on that. Wheel spacer, a blanket. Yes, we'll give you guys an update when we get everything I put on. So we got the Cadillac converter off. So down here. So these two, the bottom one there is a little difficult. However, gear wrench helps. One right there, the top right one right here. That one is fairly easy to get, and the back one over there you have to get from the top side, which is not too bad either. Gear wrenches help a lot. So what was that? I think both or all three of those are 15s, I believe. Yes, 15. Yeah, so it's off. I'm gonna get the O2 sensors out of it, throw them in the new one, slap it on, put it back together. We'll get back with you guys. I guess I'm gonna reuse this one because I didn't get one, so it'll work though. Quick side by side. Factory one. I got these loosened up. Yeah, I'm gonna switch them over. That's the pricey stuff. This has got a 2 in there. Not as much of it. So the weight on these Cadillac converters, the factory one, significantly heavier than this one. I would say at least twice the weight. Easy twice the weight. Right, we're gonna get her turned on. Hopefully we don't throw an engine cook. My doggy. Lala. Lala. What are you doing? Alright guys. We got it on. Pretty easy, simple, straightforward. So let's connect it back up. Got it started and running right now. You gotta, when you put these new cats on, you gotta remember to break them in. We are breaking in the cat. Just gonna sit here at about 2,500 for 3 to 5 minutes. one that's every 5,000 miles. So even though they say you can go 12,000 miles, don't mean you should. I didn't put the splash guard back on yet. I'm gonna wrap it. Some heat stuff. That looks good. Looks good. Sounds good. No leaks. And you see no check engine light so far. So. Drive it a little more and see if the check engine light comes on. See what it says here. Alright, I'm gonna take her for a drive and take her around the block nice and easy, and then we'll try some wide open throttle.